WWE, baby.
Spanta money, not just a trip away.
Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. It's another heated episode. Hey, baba. Sasa yimuntu msane okakhumalo ngihamba no Wanda la bathi Wanda lo mzi
wakwamithani.
Hayi. Ngimlandele iqonga le bathi kamhlaba unenqa. Ulende namhlanje.
Uze ngeflight.
Shap kunjani futhi?
Mnandi meyawuthi wena.
Hayi mnandi uthamba mnandi. Hayi into zebhola nje mfethu thina sizikhulumela ngebhola vandag. Siyajabula ukuba nawe. Siziphathele no Ghost. Nebase namhlanje uGhost. So yeah. Ghost.
Yebo.
Siyabonga.
Yeah, sanibonani. I hope you're good. Thank you so much for tuning in to Timeline Radio Sports. Numbers are growing. We have a video that's going viral in all social media platforms, you know. But before that, thank you so much to our co-host, guest co-host for today. Our members are not available. I'm sure by soon doing. Once.
Baright abantu abasontayo.
Iqasha abantu abagadayo.
We understand. It was a call. So Basnai for today. So there's a lot to unpack. But before we start, gents, there is a video that's trending. One of our members who moved from
Kaizer Chiefs
to Mamelodi Sundowns. I want us to talk about 5 minutes. But before that, Wanda, what's your take on people who jump ship about moving from specific teams to other teams? Because we've seen a little. I don't think he's the only person who has done it. Yeah, but because I think now he's the first person who pumila out loud now. Most especially Orange Farm, but even though if you react, it went viral, you know. So what's your take on that?
Izinto ezifana nalezo bro mina ngizozibeka esiflake kusho ukuthi uyaspana. Kusho ukuthi uyaspana umuntu oyhard worker so he deserved it.
No, but from ukuthi usuke from Kaizer Chiefs uyosupporta maybe Pirates or Sundowns or
Celtics. As players, you know, with the kid, this is more.
Yeah,
but as a fan.
Yeah, but it's your own decision.
Okay.
Yeah, it's your own decision ukuthi usuke from la uyele na ungavuka ekseni so favor Sundowns.
What would you do with
Kaizer Chiefs?
Wait, yeah, when favor you team
right now.
Angeke khohlwa hayi.
Okay, let's say now your team iyabheda.
Yeah.
Yadliwa manje left right and center maybe Lego number 13 it's about to be relegated or something like that. Will you jump ships? Say ukuthi hayi mina ngisayifuna team yami sengifuna
Say it's for 9 years.
No, kusho ukuthi bolo ungayithandi.
football okungayithanda.
Yeah.
So ngamanye amazwi kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi i-view ka Wanda it's like it doesn't sound or it doesn't make sense for fans to jump ships.
Questions of loyalty, not
Doesn't make sense.
Like man I understand me.
Which means awukho loyal.
My question is how do you feel now when Kaizer Chiefs is playing? Nakho nguthi umsana bengifavor Chiefs angisayifavor sengithi sengifavor Pirates and then iChiefs iyadlala manje nakho ngiyayibona iyadlala ngifila kanjani thina
but I think upungani low key uzoyifavor Chiefs low key.
Obvious.
No, yiwo lamafeni lawa ngithi mawabuya from Kaizer Chiefs maya ku Pirates uzomthola sekathi sekameka nje akasazi ukuthi uyale or really.
Yeah, ngishayile vele nalala. But for me Ghost that thing I mean ibonisi iloyalty kahle. Mina I feel like it's okay yes as much as we
I mean that guy loves Kaizer Chiefs with
Yeah.
all his heart.
But uyekile. Kuzokwenziwa njani?
I think also it's just for inhliziyo ebhlungu at that particular moment ukuthi man sidliwe iPirates kwenzakalana sidliwa uStellenbosch sidliwa uRichards Bay but I don't think ukuthi uyekile completely.
You know what I was going to do ne? I think I was only going to buy a t-shirt. Bengizoyeka peaceful quietly. I want to be don't you think yes Dooms? Because I think there are a lot of people in them abayekile who didn't make noise about it or who didn't buy t-shirts of the new club.
I know. Nakho akusu ukuthi uyayeka. You can rather yes we boycott maybe kuye stadium boycott ukuthenga ama t-shirt ungasayibukeli at such ugobo but ukuthi ngiyeke ngithi hayi yabona mina kusukela manje hayi mina sengiyobukela iSundowns like okay Sundowns is my team nje hayi bafethu mina
Yeah, khona is not easy.
hayi yazi
not easy.
kunonyaka la eBhakania, I think it was bani khona la uthi lebe coach iPirates ayiwinanga next month beyidlala ngabo dukuduku ngabo bani ba like beyidlala iBhakania ngaso sikhathi leso, and I used to love that team, but because of loyal to their team there, angifavor, but bona ngiyathanda ukubabukela yabo, and ibhola labo limnandi but angibathandi.
Yeah, when it comes
No, I think it's something. I think most of South African fanatics, that's how they feel about the Sundowns. Noma ngaba bayithanda ne low key, marayika bayifave. Noma ungenzakalani, ungawuza bayicompliment abayenza left and right. Hey, Sundowns, how he plays, man. But they will never move from that team to Sundowns. Because now, to be honest, low key I love Sundowns, but I'll never buy it. I'll never favor Sundowns.
Okay.
I mean, I don't love them.
I say is what EPL. I'm a Chelsea fan, but right now I'm more into Arsenal.
Okay.
And also the reason I'm Arsenal because since for the past 3 seasons,
so-
almost, and I'm vouching for them to win.
Yeah, so usho ukuthi nawo uphambananga nale fan the Kaizer Chiefs.
No, and I'm saying good. I'm a Chelsea fan,
Yeah.
right? My Chelsea ni Arsenal ni Chelsea one way. But right now, Chelsea na bedla into yang sai favor him.
Yeah.
But I'm vouching for Arsenal to win.
Okay.
As much as right now I'm vouching for Sundowns to win the league.
Okay.
It doesn't make me any less of a fan with Team Yamangitanda.
But that isn't it because of maybe you're looking at a team that has a potential to win, which okay, it's best if you win by Arsenal rather than this
right
person.
now, as local is Pirates in the potential to win, but I'm still leaning the Sundowns.
No,
So Arsenal with me, like Sundowns also they used to be behind, which when last they win league and they're always almost winning the league. Same as that team they are winning league at Bayern.
Leverkusen.
Yeah,
Leverkusen.
it was 123 years.
Yeah.
Bangwini league. That thing, that joy there, in Army, like it was interesting for me to see.
Yeah.
So that's what I want to see.
Yeah, Arsenal.
Yeah, Arsenal.
I don't want
That vibe, that moment there.
I don't want that. Arsenal man, yabona mayenga win league Arsenal sizoba ne problem because of kuzoba ngathi i-team serious and siyazi ukuthi abekho serious. Like abekho serious. No. Like angeke. So mina I don't have. Yabona even currently now sengi between I would have loved to see Sundowns winning the league. But lento kaSipho
So you want Paris to win the league now?
Okay. Now I don't care which win or ban between the two of them. But bengingathanda ukuthi iSundowns iwine so that ukuthi our noisy neighbors yeah yabo ukuthi kungabi nalento ukuthi hey siwine league in yabo because iSundowns ngiyazi nga 58 supporters plus ngoSipho it was 57 plus uSipho so by 58 manje so abana msindo labantu abaya noma bangawina iCAF noma bangawina iWorld Cup kuyathuleka nje South Africa, so at least but if it's Pirates angeke sibone like nje kuyoba inkinga. So that's why I wanted Sundowns to win the league. But manje ngoSipho phela kuyoba ukuthi manje ya vele yabona ngenza into right, that's why ngeke ngapha sesiwine
No,
league.
yeah, we shama 3.
Yona ba right.
So indaba yePirates yona mayidlala idraw kubheda kanje kusho ukuthini?
Hey, it's difficult because Pirates
But
played
the Pirates, that's what it does. Remember I told you. With the Pirates, that's every season. But my dad about show a potential of winning the league. Yabo, matches of pay the league. They start losing stupid games.
Yeah,
no,
like
but right now, what did I say to him? I say team is a drawer in losing.
Yeah.
Man, I want to losing.
Yes.
But drawer league good.
League is gone, yeah.
What draw?
Badlala idraw, league is gone, yeah.
And right now you can afford. And Kumbule also. I want to send down busy core enzani. You think but as Kumbule lose the league number goal difference. So painful, you understand? Because maybe I figure to that extent. In Sundowns, I make him up to never lose now. They make sure.
Yeah, very.
But when now as the Paris
Benze show. Yeah, benze show. Because iswelela kusithi abangadlala na idraw.
No, they like it is.
Look like we lost there.
Yeah, but you can check game yakuya last week. Ngesikhathi badlala ne Richards Bay. Labantu baye all out.
No, guys, also we should check ukuthi lama team awafani. Richards Bay iswelele somehow sina le anto leya sine like okay, it's a super sport, yes, but bana le anto leya le Celtics leya yabona the fan base nani. So bayakhona ukuthi like even if baluzile ama fans wakhona they're still there, they're cheering them up and all. And also pressure le anto ku Paris because iswelele got nothing to lose at the end of the day. So kuba pressure ku Pagania. So the problem now ukuthi Sundowns can manage to grind ama-results. Sundowns ayimind ukuthi kudlalele kwinele 1-0 because now even i-1-0 sebalulekile kubo because of i-Pirates i-draw. So
into abayifuna
if i-Pirates beyiwinile mhlambe boma ngaleyo 1-0 i-1-0 i-Sundowns beyilokhu bayenza babe number 2. So now if i-Sundowns wina 1-0 then iba isala phaya phezulu and it's putting more pressure kune gap ye 2 points. Yes, yabo, it's putting more pressure on Pirates.
So if 2 points Sundowns awina wonke lama match, doesn't matter
and
awina wonke or not.
And ibhlungu because you understand ukuthi manje league yamanje mawungacheka indaba ye-Sundowns and Pirates no sebagijimisa league ngama goal and points. You understand amona goal eliphambili eli1 so number 1. So you understand ukuthi league yamanje is very difficult.
So now bayimoshile ke i-Pirates ngokudlala i-draw. Mara
But
thanks
also,
to
guys, it's hard to keep momentum like that, guys. Hey, it's hard. And also Pirates, they've been like that. All the one season, that's what they've been doing. They can't keep the momentum for until the last games, you understand? Because the Pirates, even last season, even in the last game of cleaner, ball lose.
So kuyangami ngifuna ukwazi and then i-reason yini kahle kahle coach or ama play.
I think also, for me, I would say, I want ego sometimes. Don't tell you abantu basho ukuthi Sundowns no longer the same, my team wonke PSL Sundowns no longer the same. And the Pirates basho bafuna ukukepsela as based on that, yabo. And ibhola isikhathini sibaye idlala ground njalo idlala social media.
Yes.
Sangazofika ngithola. So right now iPirates amenanga abaluzi momentum baphumile ukuthi Sundowns is dangerous. Sundowns because already abantu sebasho ukuthi Pirates you win the league. And that's wrong.
Yes.
You can't write off the Sundowns like that.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Labanye ama-team azayo fine, but you can't write off the Sundowns. Uthi iliga ithathanga while ukuthi nabo we know what these people they have won it 9 times or 8 times. You understand? So you can't just write them off overnight. Ngenxa ukuthi when we've been number 1 for every week on number 1.
Every week.
But
That's dangerous.
But also I feel like Menuguti that thing it shows ukuthi gune certain influence that it's there because you get to see that with different coaches, not just one coach. It's not like ukuthi lento yenzeka because of but in the previous coaches it was the same thing. Then clearly shows ukuthi these people are like man khona abantu aba-influencer same as lento ekukhalwa ngayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kunama-analyst analyze into engekho. Then there are people who are influencing lento lena ukubonisa ukuthi man ayenzi sense because as a coach like mina if ngiwu-coach ngifaka uWanda ngimfaka na whoever ba-perform I will want to build on that ngiqhubeke nayo then sikwazi ukuthi siye phambili but you find these coaches chopping and changing
yeah,
then the influence it's up there.
Nama understand ama-team anjalo la nganayo first 11 because always mele ube nayo first 11 even though ningaba yi-32 ningaba yi-32 ngama player but at the end as a coach you need ukuthi ube
last season they had a starting 11. You remember Scarl ukuthi badlala nge-11 starting 11 is
yes
but still it didn't work out for them.
You know why it didn't work out? It's because of now you put all your eggs now with one basket. If you're starting 11 asebenza ngithi bayakustudyisha labantu laba you playing different games then they're studying you then that's when also now uba ne plan B plan C ukuya phambili. So if uzothi nje ngiya egroundini ngeplan A ngiyodlala yona if labantu bafika bang overpower there is nothing I can do then that's when it starts to be a problem. Mina I had a problem with the Pirates coach athatha player elidlala I left back alithatha lidlalisa like a left winger just because of Liakor. But do you analyze and see why that person is scoring? The person is scoring because of uza ngama late run, uza sebamkhohliwe makazane ball. Then as soon as uthatha sibilibili soyamfaka lapha phambili and then it's another problem then there yabo. So we have different players that you can try ukuthi okay namhlanje apolice ithinga imzamese number 10. Namhlanje umuntu ithinga imzamese number 10 because of already they know ukuthi umfuke uzovela cut or apolice uzovela cut. Then you can just uzama ukuthi uwenze lezo zinto. Maha ukuthi uqhaqha team yonke hayi doesn't
in such times. In these times it's very difficult.
Yeah, it's a problem.
Yeah, but mawungacheka bro, mawungachekisisa kahle no when it comes to iPirates big line yabi better since umbokazi ahambile it's a problem.
I don't think so.
Not really. Man, Pirates
but you can check ubheka uSiyema manje.
But I don't think so.
uSiyema no akasekho consistent. Akasafanje ngaseqaleni njengosibisi. You understand?
But since umbokazi ahambile still balokhu banga consider that much. They're not losing games.
But bakhele
to show. But still about consider okay, they considered 1 goal. They won 2-0 last, right? They did not 2-0. They did not concede. No. The previous
Oh,
game,
yeah,
Ibathathe babeka
2-0,
kwinto
yeah.
phezulu. Yeah, it was 2-0. Bane clean sheet. So Usipho China is amongst, I think now is the top goalkeeper ngento ngama clean sheet kwinto ku PSL.
Not 13, yeah.
Yabo, Usipho China. So we cannot blame that thing on Umbogazi. I find it hard ukuthi kuhambe play League 1 and then bese sifuna ukuthi hayi yonke into semoshakile nanani because kunama success kunanani. There are people that were there already that know ukuthi team idlala kanjani. I think we can't say ukuthi badizi these people. Hayi Nombogazi bekawayenza ama flop somehow. No.
Ish, let's move. We have a lot to unpack. Another breaking news yesterday. Coach Rhulani, LC, what's the name of the team? MC Alger.
MC Alger.
Been coach here for the past 8 months.
Yes.
He's been doing a good job. Because man check record yakhe it's not that bad. Beka udlale 34 matches, win ama game out 20, draw 8, 6 defeats, a winner champion of the Algerian Super Cup. Number 1 league with 5 points clear from number 2.
Yes.
But they fired him.
It says those people they never loved us. That's the first thing. I think also ama coach wethu, yes, for build a massive wabo nanani, but lento yabo le yokuba busy bathi baya to African countries somehow ibonisa ukuthi labantu labana abasifili, like, because even our players, they get the same thing. And looking at them, they are performing but all are the same treatment. But also, it will say, ama team, more especially ama African teams, bana certain goals, bana certain style abasifunayo. So if when we are not actually giving them what they want, then obviously release the same as what Morocco did to a national coach yabo. As much as a record like libukeka like fancy rich, but because of uhlulwe AFCON, then had with one release. No. So, but for me, I think it's based on indaba yokuthi like uRhulani mhlambe akadlali that style, and also nalento yokuthi angeke usuke eSouth Africa then soyoshine lapha.
Yeah, but at the end, the reason yokuthi ube lapha angithi into abayifunayo bafuna ukuthi win.
Yeah.
So but uRhulani wenza the very same thing.
Yes.
So that means yabona to the point lo ikhulumayo ukuthi no, which means vele zange basithanda.
Yeah.
You understand? Let's a point.
Because he's never.
Because at the end, exactly. Yeah. At the end into abayifuna ile bayithola. Uletha ama results agree. So a reason yokuthi bamxoshela.
It's because of we are not from there. Also remember that means now we're gonna like now take it glory and give it to someone else or you're outsider. Okay, so we're looking at even negesitwele that much, but look at religion mostly yalabantu labaya. So iba isolate, ibafuna like bodwa lapha. So when we are figure uzange believe yakho, then you are not part of them. So that's one other thing is over a problem. Mangabe sifika kuleyo situation ukuthi okay, we have uRhulani is doing great, or we have uPitso Mosimane is doing great, but uPitso Mosimane if thina siguqa senza lento zethu yena akazenzi lezo zinto leziyana. Okay yabo. So then it gives that thing ukuthi then we need to get rid of this guy. If we go and notice most yalama countries now they are using ama local coaches.
Yeah.
And South African coaches they because looking
yeah.
at the track record Pitso on Al Ahly, it was good. You understand? So now this is not a bad record. You understand? Because that means illegal, because the chances are very high.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, but why would they? I think it's not issue of it. Maybe it's beyond ama games or anything. Yeah. Maybe it's beyond ama games.
It is in part because they even like the style of play, those people they don't want to lose that. That's why I've always praised the Al Ahly. When you're looking at the Al Ahly, you can score 4 goals against Al Ahly. We first half, we lead 4-0. They will never change their style of play. And okay, they do get frustrated, but they will never change their style of play. They will keep on playing ibhola labo, badlale, balinoke, bazame, bajike, babuye, bazame ukuthi bakhokhe. And then by lose the game if by lose it. So that's who they are. And then they don't want to lose like themselves over ukuthi we have a leader or ukwenzakalani. So if uRhulani azofika, it's one of the arrogant coaches that I know. And not saying that thing in a bad way, but coach was asking, okay, this is me, this is what I want, and then this is what I've achieved in life.
So, but according to me, uRhulani program according to me, naye maybe bamxoshele izinto zakhe ezifana nokuthi uRulani, you need to know ukuthi uRulani is very hard ne uRulani is very hard. From lapho uRulani umuntu othukanayo anytime, you understand. uRulani akanasikhathi sokudlala bo mobet yabheda kuphelela lapho.
But it's a father figure. I take a coach as a father. I don't know which like ngithatha a coach as a father. And I'm a player like your kids. If umntanakho uya misbehavior, you need to discipline that person. And then one other thing, like if une coach ethukanayo, one, you know, man, when we started to play ball and beshawa nokushawa somehow. Yabo uzoshawa ubaba omunye umuzi ongakwazi lakho ukuthi nje awuzange ejimini or and the worst part it was worse because of bekayakina yokucela. So if I was a Jimin, unelungelo lokuthi akushaye, and that person was disciplining you. So for uRulani ukuthi sizothi uyathukana or wenzani, I don't have a problem with that. The only thing I have a problem with the coach ngayo ilento leyo ukuthi now you uzohamba uye kwi-media and then uyokhuluma kabi ngeplayer. I play so liyabhetha. If someone uyathukana, and those are emotions. That's what sports is at the end of the day. Now as a fan uyadineka. Now as a player kunokwenza ngingavela nge-1-on-1 ngimeyise laphana ngasikhathi silidwa 1-0 and score uzothukana. Yabo. That's how it is. So it's part of football, that thing. So Chugana, throwing tantrums, none. It's part of the game. You need to understand which and that person, Maga Jabril, I got to show which lento level ends very wrong at that particular moment.
And I think also because he got an offer elsewhere. Because there's a new team, Liasilibe, allegedly, I think he's going to coach there.
Okay.
So that's why I think because they're always saving a lot of offers.
Yeah.
So really, I think he's moving to a Libya. Also, about coach that team, it's good to be honest. It's good. I think he can be employed. No.
But also it's a good gesture to coach because as soon as you coach then you have a challenge you're gonna get players that are bigger than the team or bigger than the coach. And then a player bigger than the coach, then it's a problem because those people are not controllable. Then the player will be able to tell you it doesn't make sense. So you need to put your foot down. For me, uRulani as young as he is, temper yakhe, attitude yakhe, then I don't have a problem. Futhi more especially makanayo le eAfrica hayi la eSouth Africa ngoba phela uzoba coach team ezokudla mina.
This is the end of part 1. So we're gonna come back with part 2 in a few minutes.
Asbong.
Yeah.